So we're going to take a look at the camera. We're in the middle of a print. Let me open the door and let's have a look inside. Pretty loud in here, but here over to the right, there is the camera. And the camera is taking constant pictures over here, over your object. Let me close this again, that it doesn't get too cold in there. And I do have a light here, an LED light. If I turn that off, then we just have the light from the extruder. And the more light we have from up here, the better the picture is going to be from that camera in there. So it has to do with how much light this whole enclosure has. And let me show you how you can access that. Alright, so we have the software that came with the printer, the Flash Print, and right now we are printing this cat here. Right, the money cat. That's what it is. And this video is about to find out how can I connect to the printer, how can I see the print status. And one thing is here where we look at the print tab up here, we can connect to the machine, right? And we can go either wireless or with wire. In my case, I'm connected through the Ethernet to a cable, like straight connected to it. And then I can push connect, and then I will see the printer status down here. In the right corner, right? I can pause it and stop it. We are at 60% progress. We have here the wanted platform heat and the extruder heat. 210 we want, 210 and we want 50. And on the left side is what we have right now, what the sensor is measuring. You know, it's heading around in that area. So the question is now, how do we access the camera and this whole thing? And so I'm going to use a web browser here, Google Chrome, for example. But you can also use your phone, your iPhone or whatever you have there. I'm going to show this in a second. Let me show this one first here. So what you would enter is 10. Yeah, I had it already there. 10.0.0.25 colon here, and then 8080, and enter. And then you get to this website. This website is made by the printer, and down here in the middle of it, it is showing already an image from our print right now. There's a description of the server. It is a MPEG streamer running on that printer. We have here an example of a static image, or here the stream. You can see this here, right? So if you want to see, there's then a Java description of this software, this streaming software, what streams the stuff. Here is the control for the camera. And here is the stream, and a simple stream would be here. So a simple stream just takes out the picture. Look at this. You can take this and make this smaller and put this here to the side, and then you see it. Now, as I said, here is the printer settings. So you see the IP address here, 8080/control.htm. That's where you would control the camera itself. And then at the same time we can go and use our phone. Now I'm going to try this to record this here on my phone. I need a browser. I go to the same address and we go to stream and sample here. And then I can zoom in on the phone. I can zoom in if I want to. See that? I can close, get close or whatever. But so, yeah, then I can watch on my phone basically the same thing, right? So how far is my print or not? I could take screenshots here or whatever. and work it from there. Yeah, that's how that works. Yeah, that's how easy it is to watch the images on that printer.